Waterdrop sent this water filtration system for our review, and this is a really cool thing because it attaches directly to virtually any faucet, and you do have all the adapters here with the O-rings, the silicone rings, and everything. So let me show you exactly what it does, and they even give you some extra Teflon tape to make sure that no leakage is happening. That's awesome. So this is what it looks like. This is, of course, the pink one. They do offer it in white as well if you're interested. And it is a two-part kind of system. The one thing, this is where the filter will reside. So, of course, you open this thing here. There's no filter, but they do provide you with the filter. You take the plastic off, and then the filter right here is able to be inserted and will actually filter the water live. So there's no kind of like waiting around. The water goes right through it and then filters automatically up to 320 gallons with this one little filter before you have to change it, which is great. So I can hear the filters in there, no worries. All you need to do is literally twist that in and you are set. The faucet, or actually the spout, will actually go right in here. And when I say that you might need adapters, it's because it depends on the faucet size. So of course you've got the small ones, the middle, average ones. You've got even the metallic one. All of them come with silicone O-rings to make sure that you've got no leakage, like I mentioned. And it's so easy to actually install because you take this off, you will insert this just like that, and you are good to go, as seen right there, and this will actually fit in a faucet, in your actual pipe. And the really nice thing about this thing is, like, once you set it up, a lot of people are, think, well, it's going to be using the filter at all times, even if I'm washing dishes or washing my hands. Not true, because you do have a little button right here that says pure, so that means that it's going to go through the filter. If I press it, it says tap. That's awesome because then it preserves the filter. It's going to just literally go throughput from the faucet, from your tap water, straight down. And this is what it looks like right here. So you've got that filtered water is going to come out of the filter and the tap water is going to come out of this part here. It does come, like I said, in pink or white. Super convenient. Very easy to just install. It's not a huge, crazy install to add to your faucet or kind of change your whole entire kitchen sink. It is just a simple little attachment. The value is incredible. It does come with all of the attachment to make sure that it is completely universal and able to adapt to any type of faucet out there. Yeah, I highly, highly recommend Waterdrop.